Hello everyone, it's your host CodeCrafter. Today we are diving into the world of data manipulation with the Pandas. Get ready to unlock the power of Pandas as we tackle the LeetCode SQL 50 challenge. Let's get started.
We are going to solve this problem in Pandas. We already had a solution for this problem in a SQL. I have shared this on a description. So let's just go with the problem first. And problem number 584, finding customer referee. So they given a customer table consisting of customer ID, name and reference ID. They have asked is we need to find out the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with the ID. So if you see the example, you will get an idea about it. So customer table with the ID, name and reference ID columns, and if you see the reference ID, there are some null values. But here, if you see here on our output, it's also printed null value names. So what they have asked is there is no customer ID which is referred by 2, clearly saying that. So only Alex and Mark columns does not have to print. So if you see the output, you'll get a clear mention about it. So let me try to solve the problem. So it's just a one line of code. So they have given in a pandas defined a function. So let me solve it. So I'm just directly returning it. So let's say customer, we are selecting customer table, right? So customer, on a customers table, what is the option we have? We need to find out a solution inside for it. So let's see, we have to select the condition, right? So I'm selecting, sorry, customer is the column name, referral ID, right? So I'm just copied it. Is now dot is null is a function, and there is another condition is there. So I'm just making this is a separate window, and or it has to be null. So it has to be null, or it is not equal to 2 referral ID. So we use or condition like this. So I'm just returning it. So let's see, we have to select, there is another bracket we need to mention, customer. Inside the customer, what is the column name? Reference ID is not equal to 2, right? So perfect. We finished the sentence, but yeah, they may clearly mention that we have to find the names only. So I'm just selecting inside name. So if I run the code, yeah, it's accepted. The solution got accepted. Let me submit it. Yeah, we successfully done. So yeah, thank you.
That's it for today's Pandas LeetCode solution. Want more? Don't forget to check out the links for SQL and PySpark. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.